Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can loop your videos in the online video editing app known as Flixier. So let's get right into it. First of all, what you need to do is you need to upload the video that you want, or choose one from the stock videos here. And once you do, it will be here in your library. You do that by clicking on the import button here, and you can choose whichever method fits your interests. And once you do, you can add the video to one of these editing tracks. You can do that either by dragging it here into the middle of the video, or the black square, rectangle, whatever it is, the preview. You can drag it down here manually to any one of these tracks. However, what you want to do, or what might be the easiest option, is to click on the plus icon and it'll be added to the track automatically. Keep in mind, it will be added to this slider, or wherever the slider is pointed. So if it's pointed here on 5 seconds, it'll be added from 5 seconds onward. So just keep that in mind. Now, what you want to do to actually loop the video is to search through the video tab at the right. Once you are here, scroll down and you should see the loop video option. Once you are here, click on it and you will be able to choose how many times you want to loop it. If you want to loop it twice, it will loop it twice as it is shown down here. You can loop it 3 times, 4 times. You can also set a custom number, which you need to do by clicking and dragging it from left to right. The minimum number is 1, of course, and the maximum number is 200. And by clicking set, you will be able to loop your video. And that is, I think, pretty much it. For some reason, yeah, if I drag this all the way here, as you can see, it now lasts 2 hours and 23 minutes. Down here, it lasted about 40 seconds before. So yeah, as you can see, the loop is has been successfully done, and that is pretty much it. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in another video.